Morning all of you. My name is Krishna Garg and today I am going to talk about biography of Narendra Modi. As you can see, the bang of the year. 50 years ago, there was a 12 years old boy. As you can see, there are some pictures of him, of the Narendra Modi, and whose name was Narendra, as you can see. And his friend used to call him ND affectionately. One day, at the Mehsana's Vadnagar's lake, there was a temple, and the temple there was a at the top of the temple there was a flag, and you can see the river was very flooded because of the natural calamity. As you can see, because of that calamity, everyone was very at chaos. As you can see, the animals and the people were terrified because of the flooded river there were many crocodiles in it, as you can see in the video. Now, because of this man-eating crocodile, everyone was very afraid to change the flag. But this boy jump into the river and swim across the lake, and by God's grace, he fought with this crocodile. He fought with this crocodile with his bare hand and managed him to defeat him and change the flag of the temple. And from that point, the Narendra Damodar Das Modi was born. Narendra Modi was in current is a CM of Gujarat, and his fan used to wishes him that he can become the next prime minister. As you can see, these are some pictures of him at the childhood and now in the current. Many more pics are there. Now let's talk about the village where he used to live, the Mehsana's Vadnagar village, as you can see in the video. In the first phase of the Narendra Modi story, his great grandfather came to the Mehsana's Vadnagar to earn a living, and there he opened a grocery store with his son, and his son used to help him to run that grocery store. His son's name was Mulchand, and after some time his son got married, and the first one was Damodar Das, as you can see, and the third child of Damodar Das was Narendra Modi. As you can see in the video, there were a total of 6 children of Damodar Das. The eldest one was, as you can see in the video, Som, and the next one was Amrit. The younger sister was Vasanti, and then Prahlad, and then Pankaj. There were a total of 6 children of the Damodar Das. Now let's talk about the Mehsana's Vadnagar railway station, where the father of Narendra Modi used to have a tea stall, and Narendra Modi helped him there to sell the tea and to earn a living, as you can see in the video. And now his elder son Som is telling that our father used to have a tea stall. In 1956, Narendra Modi has 2 ways, the one which was very easy and other was very difficult. As you can see, it was very easy to sell tea with his father at the railway station and to earn a living. But that little boy's mind was thought of a big dream to achieve something like that. And because of that dream, his elder brother told him that he got become the prime minister of the nation today. As you can see, he used to go to Shaka before the school, and at the tea stall of his father, a man named Lakshman Rao Imandar, aka Advocate Sahab, used to come there, and by the words of the Lakshman Rao Imandar, aka Advocate Sahab, influenced Narendra Modi, and he became child volunteer. As you can see, now this is the house. This is the dilapidated house of the Narendra Modi, which he used to live in childhood. It was 40 feet long and 12 feet broad, as you can see in the video. In the first room, his whole family used to sleep here. As you can see, his all 6 brothers and his father and mother are sleeping there. And outside the house, there is a vessel kept. So whenever someone gets thirsty, they can drink the water from here, from that vessel. And now house has only one door, and there was no bathroom. So the women of the house, you can say women of the house, keep a cloth and take a bath there. Now you can see Narendra Modi is telling he has come from a very humble and a hard-working family, and in his genetics, hard work is flowing in his blood. You can see that he is saying that. Now the house has two parts. The first parts in which the kitchen was there as his mother cooked the food, and second was where she kept the dung cakes to lit up the handmade oven. And whenever he used to cook, the whole house got smoked, and the house was, there was no light in the house, so they have to lit a lantern because the house was full of darkness. And there was one gate you can see, and there was only one handmade oven, as his elder brother is telling that our mother used to cook on this one very handmade oven. Now this is the river where Narendra Modi used to have fun and practice swimming. As you can see, this is the lake, this is the river, and by practicing and by playing in, he was at the time number one swimmer of his village. And one day he caught a baby crocodile and brought it to the school. As you can see, he is telling that I have no fear, and I brought it to the school, and everyone was in shock and got in fear that why you have bring this. But he said I have no fear, it's like a dog or a cat baby to me.
It's like a child.
It's like a child splash. Now let's talk about the school where Narendra Modi used to go. There was no chair, so everyone used to sit on the floor and write on the slates. And you can see when the school uniform was NCC dress, and whenever Narendra Modi was upset, he used to keep mum. Everyone knows that Narendra Modi knew, and Narendra Modi was affectionately called Andy from his friends and also neighbors. And whenever he got time from school, he used to go to his father's tea stall and help him there. Narendra Modi was also very fond of books, so he used to go to the Vadnagar's Mehsana's library. As you can see, this is the library where he used to read books, comics, magazine, everything that he can get his hands on. As you can see, because of that reading, because of that curiosity of reading, he is now a very good debater and a nationalist. Now his elder brother is telling whenever his family couldn't find him, they know that he is gone to the library. Also in his school there was a chemistry teacher known as Mistry Sir. He was very fond of him because he used to show him the chemical reaction in test tubes, and he hold the test tube in his hand, and Mistry Sir put some chemicals, and he watches the chemical reaction, and he used to love that chemical reaction. So this is the, you can see the chemical lab. And now in Gujarat, Chief Minister was Narendra Modi, as he is a very powerful person. You can see by his voice, by his words, by his capability of doing such great things. He used to run a one-man show at his school and at his province. The whole thing about that, as you can see, he is telling. There was a play also, a one-man show, and which was directed by Narendra Modi, written by Narendra Modi, and also acted by Narendra Modi. The name of the show was Peel of Fool, as his elder brother is telling that. Now he played the role of a very sick child of an untouchable mother, who was very she was very poor, and she looked everywhere for the cure, from the doctor, from the everyone, but no one has given his, but there was no cure for this illness. And someone told him in the end that you have to bring the prasad of yellow fool from the temple, but she was untouchable, so she couldn't enter the temple because people won't allow her to enter the temple. And after that, the little boy died, and the second act he played was the great emperor of Maharana Pratap. And now you can see there is a saint which used to come often, who used to come often at Narendra Modi's house. And one day his mother Hira Ba asked him to look at the horoscopes of his two children, the elder brother Som and Narendra. The saint told him that his elder brother Som will have a normal life in the future, and also tell if Narendra Modi wishes to go in the politics, or in the political region, he will become the great emperor of the politics. As you can see, his elder brother is saying that if he will become the politician, he will become the emperor, or if we wishes to continue the line of saint, he will take the place of Shankacharya. as you can see in the video, there was a temple, and in that temple a very renowned saint came to live there, and he has grown the barley on his hand. He has grown the barley on his hand, and Narendra Modi used to feed him day and night, and worship him every day. So that's all about Narendra Modi. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.
Nice efforts.